so I want to make one more video.
Oh boy.
Okay. And guys, what do you think about NASS this last day?
Forward to seeing everybody for the end of the convention, wrap everything up. Had some great interactions with customers, old customers, new customers, potential customers.
We have a couple customers that are going to come back by the booth today that I think will turn into some pretty good leads and possibly some pretty good sales. So far, it's been nice. Okay.
Okay. See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt, some jeans and my boots, and then it's time to make that morning drive. Work all day till I'm totally beat. Get back home and fall right to sleep. Alarm goes off in the morning and the cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat.
So what's the plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow we have a lot of new innovations that we bring from Germany. Imaging Lite, Apple Vision, we have our new model for scoliosis, and we have a lot of new things for the American market.
Fantastic. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes. See you.
Work, sleep, repeat. They call me the jerk.
We in Release continue to improve new functions for our Imaging Lite.
Like no other. But when I'm not between the sheets, I'm busy staying undercover. Ain't as sweet as it seems being the juggler. Yeah, 'cause Edith likes eating at East of Eden, where Wendy works on Wednesday evenings, and Donna Lee does her laundry 2 doors down.
For example, here I have a new function. We have here Software Master Imaging Lite. If you see here, you can control yourself the imaging. The very nice thing is you have the master, you can see here the model, but the participants maybe of the course, they can also see live what is happening in the navigation, but they can, independently of the master, they can also control all the different angles and views in navigation. We have the master, and here the slave app, in order that the participants can see live what happens during the training, and they can also make their own position angles of the spine.
Ain't as sweet as it seems being the juggler. Yeah, but I had 3 more the month before. Tanya, Tina, and Isadora. But that all ended in a puddle of tears and blood.
Before we start, we have to assure precision of the system, and for this reason we have this calibration. And when you start the software, you can go to the calibration. You put a pointer in the calibration position, and then the only thing that you have to do is pressure this calibrate, and now is the system calibrate to the position for the navigation.
Call me the juggler, 'cause I always have 3 lovers. And I burn through Trojan rubber like no other. But when I'm not between the sheets, I'm busy staying undercover. Ain't as sweet as it seems being the juggler.
This is our Apple Vision navigation. Right now we are launching in different events for this year. Actually, this is right now what the main function is. You can navigate the same way that you navigate with the iPad with the Apple Vision. And the 3 things I have to put on. And I will have here screen for navigation, and the iPad will be transmit the navigation coordinates of the pointer, and I can see here the same picture that I have here on the iPad. Right now, this version, the main complement is to have an easy way to see the navigation screen for the surgeons. They don't have to somewhere else. They can have here right behind of the model navigation, and then could be easy navigation for them. I can move the screen, change the angles only with navigation, only with my fingers. Mainly to have better view for surgery. For the course, it's also possible to show the participants how the surgeon could be navigate directly in the operation theater's view. Also for the future, what we want to have is to have only everything navigation only in the Apple Vision. That is the development for the future.
That's really
amazing technology. Okay, we are here in the NASS with Michael from Surgical Theater. That's a good customer from Realis, and I want to ask you how you use the Realis model with your technology.
Yeah, absolutely. So the Realist model has been fantastic for us from a demo standpoint. So we've been using the Realist models to really highlight our MIS portion of our software. So it really helps emphasize whenever we're giving these demos how versatile our software is and our 3D model is in the OR or even in planning. So that way we could show it basically facetectomies, drill placements, navigating tools into the OR with giving that real simulation. So
Also, do you use only for demonstration or use also for training? What is the main use case?
main use case are demos, but training for our internal employees is really great too. So that way when they are in the position to give demos in their accounts, that is a very seamless transition for them as well. So that way they can give them the concept of live drilling, screw placement, that sort of thing in a very focused area. And then we have that model based off of the Realist. So we
Perfect.
bring that into our technology and it's seamless. So
Great. Thank you, Michael.
yeah, of course. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael. Okay, we are working since I don't know how many years.
Right.
Know you. How is your experience to use the model for the endoscopy for eloquence?
Yes, thanks to Realist, been very helpful. Realist accommodate our request, so we're able to train a lot of doctors with this model. And thank you very much your support and collaboration.
You're welcome, Yuki. Thank you very much for allow us to use the models here in NASS, and see you for sure in the next Congress.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Yuki.
Thank you.
We are here with Laura from Cyber Surgery from Spain. How was the experience with the model? How helped you the model to show this amazing technology, the robotic?
Well, it was super good to have this model here as we could do more a realistic demo, and also it allows us to show the surgeons how the minimal invasive surgery can work with our robot. So it's been amazing to work with you. Yeah, it was super realistic, and here you can see our plan. And this is based on a CT scan that we have taken, and as you can see, the image is super good.
Yes, this is a simulation system, right? That is a simulation.
Yeah.
You take the tag from the simulator.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you, Laura.
Thank you.
Goodbye to Denver. The NASS was a great meeting with a lot of former customers, new new contacts, show the technology. We are very happy to be here in Denver and say goodbye. But the next meeting coming, German Spine Society, in December. See you.